Okay, so the thing is, whenever we are using box decoration in a container, then we cannot set the value of the color property of the container. We need to set this thing in the box decoration part. Okay, Control V, and now it will work. So here I think I need to make some more border circular, so for that I think 36 would be enough radius for this. Okay, now it's good. So the last part for this our header would be to make this a bar like half from the border of out of the border and half will be in the container. So for that we can actually we need to use another approach, because here we are using column, and column only allows the widgets to show within their specific box area only. So we cannot overlap things in column. So for that we need to use stack. So here we can do things like this, like what should okay, so we need to wrap this container with the stack. Before that we need to find out the exact height of this container. So for that I will start the widget inspector. No, actually okay, I have started the widget inspector, and find out the exact height of this our container here, which is let me click on this and see one by one this container. I need to find out the height of this container and assign that height to this widget. So what's the height of this container? It's the 631419. Height is 419. So height of this container is 419. Let's before wrapping this into a stack, I will assign a fixed height, which is 419, and see the reflection here. Yes, it's working perfectly. So now after assigning the specific height, I will wrap this column with the stack. And then I will extract this tab list from this out of the column and paste it here. So now it will be overlapped. Okay, so the whole purpose of the stack is to show things by overlapping, like the column will be shown first, then after that the tab items list will be shown above that. So now here what we need to do is we need to assign a specific height. first I will show this tab item below the border, near to the border of that. For that we have here a position widget, yes, and which is used to align widgets in the stack. So for further detail we will say that from bottom it will be 0, and see. Okay, so now it's showing 0 from bottom. If I make it 0 and Control S, it's showing here, but what if I bottom 10? Okay, and what about 0? And what about -20? Okay, so 30 will be good. So now here we will change the clip behavior of the stack to dot none. So now it's working or showing perfectly here. So the issue with here which we are seeing is that we need to first we need to increase the height of this bottom container. So for that we will increase height. This won't have any effect on that. I think there is some of the size issue when we are trying to use a stack. So let us comment this thing and check is it working perfectly. Restart. So the next thing is we need to check the height of different items in the screen, on the screen. So here we have column and stack, container, and Okay, so I think maybe the height part is right. We need to set the height, and I'm setting the width here. Control S. Okay, so the height has been assigned, but it's not the expected height that we want here. So let's check the column height. And what's the column height? Column height is around 88. And what is the height of the container? Container height is 619, and we need to decrease it to 300 maybe. No. It's too low, so what about 180? Yes, it sounds good. This sounds good, so looks good. Maybe I will make it to 190. Okay, and the next part is to show the positioned item, which is showing the list. Okay, so here we are getting some error to show that. What if I remove this and save it? Okay, so now here it's showing perfectly, but not showing when we are trying to do a positioned item here. Okay, so I think there would be some issue with the update information required home screen. We are getting the issue at line number 83, 52 and 83. We are drawing the container here, and what's the error? They are showing that the render box, actually the render was not allowed relative bound has size, so there is an issue with the size. I have assigned the height 40. Maybe the double infinity part is not able to calculate the exact height to draw it on the stack. So what if I make it 100 and see if it shows information correctly? Okay, so it's showing information correctly. And what if I will use positions tag now to show this on the bottom? Okay, so now it's working perfectly. If I restart this, is it working perfectly? Then I will do some check on the width part. Okay. Okay, so now it's showing perfectly. Now the thing is, the double infinity part is used to accommodate all the infinite available space which is available for this container, so it will assign that value to the width. But in our case, as the stack has not providing that information to the child widgets, so we need to specifically define that value for this for our container. So we cannot hard code this value. So what we want here is that this container should take the width as much as the device provides us. So here are different screen sizes available. So Flutter provides us a way to find out the current device width and height. So for that we will use query, media query class, and in that query dot size width okay. So now it's working perfectly. Our scroll is working now, and okay, so yeah, here it is. Our top container have been completed with app bar, search container, and several label horizontal list tab items. So here there is some of the spacing which we need to decrease. Height and padding, margin, okay. So margin from top I will make it 40. Okay, and which was 60 before that, so I will decrease the height by 20. Okay, so now it's perfect. It's according to the design that which we are seeing here. So this is it for this video. So we will complete the other part in the next video. So thank you for watching. Bye bye.